Kia ora, green thumbs. Remember last episode when I teased the ultimate reward for all your hard work? Well, the moment has finally arrived. It's harvest day. This is the most exciting, most satisfying part of growing your own kai. And it's what we've all been waiting for. After nurturing your seedlings, battling those cheeky pests, and tending to your plants with aroha, today we get to reap the rewards. Get ready for the sweet taste of success. Let's dive in and learn how to bring in your bounty. Knowing when to harvest is crucial for getting the best flavor, texture, and yield. Pick too early and you miss out on peak deliciousness. Pick too late and you might lose quality or even spoil the plant's next flush. Each vegetable and herb has its own secret signals. Look for a deep, even color specific to the variety. They should feel firm, but yield slightly to a gentle squeeze. If they pull easily from the vine, they're ready. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, kale. You can often start harvesting outer leaves once they reach a good size, often around 10 to 15 centimeters. For a whole head of lettuce, wait until it's firm and full. The key is to pick before they bolt. That's when they send up the flower stalk and become big. Beans, green beans, runner beans, they should be firm and snap crisply when bent. Pick them when the pods are well formed, but before the beans inside become too lumpy and the pods tough. Regular picking encourages more production. Herbs, basil, coriander, mint. For most leafy herbs, you can start snipping sprigs once the plant is established and has several sets of leaves. Pick regularly to encourage bushier growth and prevent flowering. Always do a quick check, look at the color, feel the texture, and sometimes even give it a sniff. Your plants will tell you when they're ready. Harvesting techniques. Gentle hands, bountiful yields. How you harvest makes a big difference to both the quality of your produce and the health of your plant, often encouraging it to produce even more. Whether it's a sharp pair of secateurs, scissors, or a knife, make clean cuts. This prevents damage to the plant and potential entry points for diseases. For plants like lettuce, spinach, kale, and many herbs, don't pull the whole plant out. Instead, snip off the outer, larger leaves, leaving the inner ones to continue growing. This allows for multiple harvests from one plant. For fruiting plants, tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, gently twist or cut the stem just above the fruit. Avoid yanking, as this can damage the plant or even pull it out of the ground. For root vegetables, carrots, radishes, gently loosen the soil around the base if it's very compact, then grasp the greens firmly and pull straight up. Freshly harvested produce, especially delicate items like berries or soft herbs, can bruise easily. Place them gently into your harvest basket or container. Harvesting is best done in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day. This keeps your produce crisp and fresh. Now you've got your beautiful harvest. How do you keep it fresh and delicious? Basic storage makes all the difference. For most leafy greens and herbs, give them a gentle wash in cool water, then dry them thoroughly with a salad spinner or paper towels. Excess moisture is the enemy of freshness. Most vegetables, once clean and dry, will be happiest in your fridge's crisper drawer. Store them in breathable bags or containers to maintain humidity. For fresh herbs like basil, coriander, and parsley, treat them like a bouquet of flowers. Trim the bottom of the stems, place them in a jar with a little water, and cover loosely with a plastic bag. Pop them in the fridge, except basil, which prefers room temperature, and change the water every couple of days. Root veggies, carrots, potatoes, and onions prefer a cool, dark, well-ventilated spot, not necessarily the fridge. Enjoying your produce within a few days of harvesting will always give you the best flavor and nutrients. For our today, let's celebrate with a super simple, incredibly delicious harvest recipe idea: garden fresh salad with tangy herb dressing. Just imagine crisp lettuce, juicy heirloom tomatoes, a few slices of cucumber, maybe some finely chopped spring onion, all from your garden. Toss it with a quick dressing made from olive oil, a splash of apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and finely minced fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and a hint of mint. It's light, it's flavorful, and it lets your homegrown produce truly shine. What was the first thing you harvested this season? Or what's your favorite simple recipe to make with your fresh garden bounty? Share your harvest stories and photos in the comments below. I can't wait to see your sweet taste of success. So there you have it. Green thumbs, the ultimate reward. Harvesting your own food is an experience like no other. It connects you directly to nature, provides you with the freshest, most nutritious kai, and gives you a real sense of accomplishment. If you found this episode helpful and you're ready to start reaping your rewards, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fellow gardeners, and if you haven't already, subscribe to grow your own food so you don't miss any of our tips. Get out there, get harvesting, and enjoy every delicious bite. Takait Ano.